Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw ArionPlay in Gcash. So let's start. So first, this first tip is withdraw from Airplane to the link Gcash wallet. So you have to first link in your account on ArionPlay. This case ArionPlay is only available in Philippines, so be considered to this. For that reason, restrict the site. But well, first you have to log in into your ArionPlay account. Go to the withdrawal section and follow the instructions to cash out from ArionPlay to your Gcash wallet. So you have to double check your Gcash balance to confirm the funds have been received. Okay, so in cases to just cash out from Gcash, so through the partner outlet, go to Gcash partner outlet, tell the cashier you want to cash out and provide your mobile number and the amount. Show the valid ID and provide the OTP sent to your phone. So you have to send the MasterCard withdrawal cash from any banknet or Gcash or affiliate ATM. So via bank transfer, transfer your cash funds to the linked bank account. So in that way, you can start withdraw the money for AirPlay Casino without any problem. As you can see, you can connect your accounts from Gcash to your AirPlay and then start using for withdraw the money there. So guys, that's how you can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.